Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn off screen recording in Realme devices. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to a YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video for more videos. So let's start. If you have started this screen recording option and like this, you can simply just turn off by clicking this cross icon and it will be removed, or you can just click on the settings and type recording screen recording and like this, and you can set up for more good recordings. You can just change the setting over here, and it is very simple. I hope this video will help you. If you like this channel, then subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.